I live on the Wirral, which is between Chester and Liverpool. This is my Wellis EveRest Hot Tub. We bought this last summer during the height of the pandemic. We hadn't had a family holiday for several years for family reasons, and we'd finally got round to booking one, and unfortunately it was cancelled. So we thought we'd invest our money in something that was long lasting and something we'd get real benefits out of. So we bought the hot tub, we had it installed, and it's been an absolute dream. It's been a joy. We've enjoyed every minute of it. So that's fantastic to be able to sit there with the bubbles on, listen to the music and just relax, and it's lovely and warm, and it really does work your muscles. It really is has really powerful jets. The bubbles are fantastic. You feel very relaxed when you come out, and it does get rid of your aches and pains. I use it on a regular basis. And I think that's, we've enjoyed our staycation because we haven't booked another holiday. We intend to make the most of this year, and it's used on a regular basis. Maintenance is really easy. It's not much more than maybe when you've used a hot tub, just dose it with some chlorine, check it on a regular basis, adjust the chemicals if needed, clean the filters every week or every 2 weeks maybe, and change the water every 3 months. So as long as you monitor it, keep it clean, it really is easy to look after, and I can highly recommend it. It's the focal point of our garden, and we absolutely love it, and I will recommend this to anyone. If you haven't got one, you need to go and get one now. It's a fantastic product.